Okay, sorry guys, I got cut off on the last video. I didn't know I was only allowed to record 8 or 15 minutes. So the only thing we have left to do is go through what you're actually going to turn in and how to save that. So I'm back on the home page for the Diet and Wellness Plus app. And right here, I'm just going to go down to reports. And again, this is on the instructions for what to turn in. So the first thing is the energy balance. And we go, and that is the first one on the reports. You put in your start and your end dates. I only have one day, but you would put to make sure you include all 3 of your days. This is what that looks like in part 2. No, this is part 2. In part 3 and 4, you'll look more in depth on these reports, but for right now, we're just going to save them. So right here it says save as PDF. That doesn't work for some reason, so instead you're going to hit print, and then you can hit save, and it'll automatically pull it up as saving as a PDF document. And then it says on here, this is what you title it. So we're going to put energy balance underscore last name. I like to save my stuff to the desktop, so we're going to save that. So that's one of your PDFs. Go back to the reports and find your 3-day average. Put in the dates for all 3 days. And this is what that looks like. You can go through and look at this, but again, we'll do that later. Hit print, save, 3-day average. Save that one. Okay, now we're going to find the MyPlate analysis. Make sure you're putting in your dates to include all 3 days. You can go through and look at these. Definitely could have ate more veggies. Had a lot of empty calories apparently. So again, let's go to print, save, and what was this? MyPlate analysis. Alright, save that one. And then the last one we have to save is the fat breakdown report. So let's go back to reports and fat breakdown. Include your dates. That's what this looks like. And then print, save, same thing. Okay. That should be everything that you need to save on MindTap. So now once you go to submit that, again, y'all's will look different than what mine looks like right now. It again tells you what to upload. It's going to be 4 separate PDFs, not 1, and you'll be able to add 4 documents onto here. So yours will have like a little box that says drag and drop. So this is why I like to save things to my desktop, so I can just drag it in and drop it. And again, it'll allow you to do 4 of those. Well, I don't know where the rest of those went. But anyway, that's how you do that, and you'll just hit submit, and you'll be good for the LAP Part 2. Again, let us know if you have any questions, any concerns with this. Once you get everything into MindTap, I mean, you can see that went pretty quickly. It's just a matter of searching it right and finding what you're looking for. Try your best with your activity. Make sure you're getting 24 hours in a day. You should be good. So good luck. Remember, this is due on September 29th at 11:59 p.m. So good luck. See y'all next time.